At last, help for the UK construction industry. Do you work within the UK construction industry or know someone who does? The support to grow and develop your business is now not only available, but it won't cost you a penny. You'll have the chance to transform your cash flow, improve your marketing, reduce your working hours, delegate easily and make more money. The Power Within Training and Development are offering you the opportunity to grow and develop your business. The Power Within are an SQA award-winning training provider you can trust. Having a business you're fully in control of that works for you, not against you. A business that you work on, not a business you work in.